Hello my friends, I'm here at 815 Sorrento Place today and I just have to show you this property. It's just a fabulous property right next to the pool here. I mean, who wouldn't like to have the pool right next door and not have the maintenance? I'd like you to come on inside. There's so many things I like about this property. There have been a lot of additions like screen doors, and it's not too big and not too small. It can be your retirement home, but it can be your special Pine View kids home because this is not an over 55 community. Guys, it's just fabulous. All one level. It's a 2-2, but really it's a 3, and you'll see what I mean when I talk about this. Follow me through. We'll start here in the kitchen. It's a Gail kitchen, but it's got great lighting. It's got indirect lighting. It's got lighting underneath the cabinets, all full wood cabinets. Just a fabulous, less than 3-year-old refrigerator, stove. It's just real nice about that. Let's take a peek out in the garage. A 2-car garage, really. Extra refrigerator, lots going on here. And a room for your toys. Notice the Mexican tile throughout. It's fabulous, hardy. Right here we have wonderful French doors. These are all wood doors. New fans. The view to the pool. This can double as an office, or if you have 2 remote people, you'll see where you could have 2 remote offices. However, this is a hide-a-bed. It has a huge walk-in closet that's lit. There's 4 TVs that'll stay, a new fireplace here. So all of that adds extra value. Nice bathrooms. Yes, there is this light in the shower. Lots of granite. Bidets on both toilets. Lots of shelving for all this, by the way, is turnkey for the low price of $395, which is wonderful. All of these are custom shades. These have all been custom put in here. Out to the patio, nice closets, again TVs. This is built and ready to go. Again, take a look at the nice granite. There we go. And I'm going to take you out to the last bedroom, bedroom number 3. Note, these are our recliners here that are Lazy Boys, guaranteed for life. You know Lazy Boy in there. Nice warranties. Those 2 in the other bedroom are reclining chairs, beautiful reclining chairs. All small stuff, but when you're going to put it together, it takes a while, and this person has gotten it quite ready. Nice bedroom number 3. It doesn't have a closet, it has an armoire with a great TV, make it a desk, whatever you want to do. Actually, you can build a closet right there if you want. A lot has been done out here that is of interest. You've got this quiet area, but to be out of the sun, there's a nice shade that's custom to pull down. Or if you want to step outside, pavers have all been put in by my clients, the sellers. You know what's behind you. It's a quiet community. And wouldn't you know, the fire truck would go off or whatever, but that's great too. Air conditioner's less than 3 years old. Thank you for stopping by here at 815 Sorrento Place. I have an open house tomorrow and I would love to see you there.